We are happy to have you as a party. We are happy to have you. This is our first engagement in the year. The invite that those who received the invite that I sent, I think I did mention exactly why we wanted to be here. And the reason why we are here is because one, we want to start the party. We want to start the year as a party. Number two, there are those issues that seem to have caused wengine walivuka na sisi mwaka jana na sisi tukukue na wao mwaka huu, and if they want us to make them our subject, we can make them our subject, but we have a better subject, that is making our party stronger and ensuring that our presidential candidate becomes the official flag bearer of the so-called united opposition. I say so-called because I'm not going to media in Africa. I'm only none. And all these other activities are going to follow in a short while. Lakini kwa sababu sisi ni kawaida yetu, ni vizuri tuanziane na maakuli ambayo tuko nayo. So I want to invite you to the breakfast. Our deputy party leader who will join us in a short while is already within the compound, leading another group of people in another room. And but we continue even as we wait for it. I propose that we get our fight, and thereafter we can introduce ourselves. So do you want us to introduce ourselves and then to kula? Kawaida ni kukula, na then tujuane kinani walikuwa wanakula. Hiyo kawaida. So I think we can move in that order. Na lazima kuwe kuna wale ambao walioshwa mkono. Aiso wakina ile group pale ya Kimari wakioshwa mkono. Hawa ndio inaonekana wanajua walikuja wanashukuru kwa